Hi. So I had my second keratin treatment last week, 10 days ago really, and I'm afraid that it's broken me out very, very badly. It is my second keratin treatment, as I said. The first one was last year in August or so, and it didn't break me out at all. So I told the people at the salon that it wasn't going to break me out, and they did it, and I came home and poof, my face exploded, and I also developed urticaria. So I had to wash my hair with a clarifying shampoo, which means that the results didn't really stay on. But that's all right. The skin is more important than the hair in my book. So that's it. So very quickly, let's take a look at this month's LookFantastic beauty box. So I admit that I've taken a look at spoilers. So that's the box. Fun summer colors there. Teal and lime green. So it opens to reveal the Beauty Box magazine, product card as well, and this month's UK magazine. So the April box is themed Beauty Awakening. April is all about awakening your skin, updating your beauty routine, and discovering new brands that are sure to put a spring in your step. We're celebrating the best in natural ingredients this month, from some cult brand favorites, which we're sure will make your skin blossom and leave you radiant, ready for summer. We also explore new products from our featured brand for this month, Glam Glow, a brand globally recognized for fast-acting, innovative mud treatments that deliver instant visible results. So, clearly all about natural ingredients this month then. Glam Glow, is Glam Glow all natural? I don't know. So next month's box has Avant RNA Radical Firmness Anti-Aging Serum worth $20. That's a spoiler. Let's take a look at what's inside this month. First up is the only makeup product in this box, Pure Cosmetics Fully Charged Mascara. It's a mini. Lives up to its fully charged title, adding instant lift, volume and definition to your lashes with just one swipe. Harnessing new generation magnetic technology within the unique formula through a magnetic polymer matrix that binds each lash in a positive electric charge, it delivers a striking dramatic lash effect. Technical but exciting. So this claims to be a magnetic mascara, and I wanted to try one for ages. I hope it is as magnetic as it claims. So I'm not going to be opening this for another 6 months because I've got a few mini mascaras in rotation. Next up, this is something we saw in last month's spoilers, Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. This mask was created to help with problem skin, ta-da, and blemishes, with its blend of acids and oils to help unclog pore congestion and clear skin. Tailor-made, good choice. Looking forward to trying that one. Emma Hardy Moringa Cleansing Balm, an iconic product, probably the world's most famous cleansing balm, after Caroline Hyron's review. I'm a huge fan. Although I love cleansing oils more than balm cleansers, this is probably my favorite balm cleanser. A lovely little product, goes into my travel bag. I have used it before. And then we have Nuxe Creme Fresh 48-hour moisturizing cream. This comforting moisturizer melts effortlessly into skin, softening, soothing, and protecting you for 48 hours with its dose of vegetable milks and algae extracts. That sounds nice. Apply to the face and neck. I think I'll try this on my neck and see how it goes. My neck is quite dry. Then we've got, hang on. Oh, it smells lovely. Dr. Botanicals Vegan Bergamot and Poppy Seed Soap. I love handmade soaps. And I actually like soap bars as much as I love my Molten Brown shower gels. Oh, this looks very nice. It smells amazing. Gosh. This is a full-size product, and I'm really looking forward to trying this one out. And it is sulfate-free. Finally, we have Nip and Fab Glycolic Fix Daily Cleansing Pads. 10 radiance boosting pads. Now, I'm a huge fan of glycolic acid, and I use glycolic acid every day. So I am due to undergo acne scar revision, microneedling RF, over the next couple of days. I doubt my derm will do it though, because of the acne that's developed here, thanks to the keratin treatment. So if he does it, I'm going to be using this because it's quite gentle, and unlike it's not as strong as my favorite Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta peels. So 6 products in there, an excellent box. I'm a skincare junkie, and these are good products that work. Emma Hardy Moringa Cleansing Balm, Nip and Fab Glycolic Pads, Glad to try out a new mascara, and that soap smells amazing. Not too excited about the Nuxe Moisturizing Cream though. Yada yada, it's a bit meh. Glam Glow, I have used it before, but I'm glad that they did send out one for acne-prone skin, which is quite timely. So 6 products, good choice. This is probably my favorite box of this year so far. I hope the trend continues and I continue to receive products that I love and that work for me, my skin type. So LookFantastic ships worldwide. They are rather skincare centric, as you probably guessed, although there are 1 or 2 makeup products per box. So each box costs £15, although long-term subscriptions cost less. So link to subscribe is in the description box below. So that's all from me for today. I hope you enjoyed this short video. Please do hit the subscribe button and please give me a thumbs up, and I'll speak to you soon.